Namaskar. Nowadays, many people go through high tension that to daily because of work pressure, relationship issues, social pressure, or because of level of uncertainty due to changing time. You see, such stress is very harmful for both body and mind. If not managed properly, it becomes the cause of many diseases like blood pressure, heart disease, and even obesity, hair loss, and breakouts. But your body has a built in system to calm itself down, reduce stress. I am talking about vagus nerve, also known as the wandering nerve. It is the longest cranial nerve in the body that connects your brain to your heart, lungs, and gut. It is part of your parasympathetic nervous system or your body's rest and digestive system, which is responsible for body calming after stress. The vagus nerve in your parasympathetic nervous system affects various functions like heart rate, digestion, respiration, and immune function. When this nerve is active, your body shifts into the state of rest, repair, and healing. When your vagus nerve is active, your heart rate slows down, your digestion improves, your body can fight infection more efficiently, your mind feels calmer and more stable. But when the vagus nerve is underactive, you feel anxious, restless, bloated, and tired without any clear reason. But you can activate this powerful nerve through simple acupressure point. And today I will share with you 3 powerful points you can stimulate daily to activate your vagus nerve. The first is the ear vagus point. This is one of the most direct ways to influence vagus nerve because the ear is rich in nerve fiber. This powerful acupressure point lies in your inner hollow ear, just above the ear canal. Now, to activate this pressure point, you have to use your thumb or first clean finger to press the point. Apply light circular pressure for about 1 to 2 minutes in each ear. You will often feel a subtle sense of calm almost immediately. Now, let us look at the second powerful acupressure point to reset your vagus nerve. This is on your wrist and calls as Nei Guan P6. Let me show how to locate this powerful nerve point. With your palm facing up, measure 3 finger widths down from your wrist crease using your index, middle, and ring finger. Place your thumb below your index finger in between the 2 large tendons. Apply firm but not painful pressure on this point while moving your thumb in small circles. Perform for 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's go to the third important acupressure point to reset your vagus nerve. This is located in your shin and it's called as stomach 36. Let me show how you can point this acupressure point. Find the bottom of your kneecap. Measure 4 finger widths down by placing your index finger so it's touching the bottom of your kneecap. Stomach 36 is located in the depression below your little finger, 1 finger breadth from the outside of your shin bone. As you press on this point, you should feel the muscle press and release against your finger. As you move your foot up and down, apply firm but not a painful pressure on this point with your finger by moving in small circles. Perform for 1-2 minutes. These acupressures are the way to remind your body to relax. Apart from these 3 acupressure points, Yogendra Brahmari Pranayam and Yogendra Ujjayi breath are also very effective in stimulating the vagus nerve and calming your nervous system. These powerful pranayams will help to reset not just your vagus nerve but your entire parasympathetic nervous system. If you practice them daily, you will start noticing a calmer mind, better digestion, improved sleep, and a more balanced emotional state. Just commit to these holistic health practices and you will see many profound changes in yourself. So start with 5 minutes of your time, but start today and see how far your journey will go on health care. So take care. Namaskar.